Hey, what's going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and today I will show you guys some really awesome new widgets that you must have on your iPhone. Now before we get into the widgets, I just want to ask you guys for a huge favor. Please make sure you subscribe to the channel, because as I've noticed recently, most of you guys watching my videos are not actually subscribed to the channel. So make sure you subscribe, it really helps out a lot, and of course I would really appreciate it. Now let's get things started with the first widget. Now we're going with color widget. You can see 3 different widgets that I have from this app right here. It offers some really good widgets and of course a lot of different informations to display on the home screen of your device. Like here I have one for the volume, the current volume of my device, and of course my cellular and my Wi-Fi right there. I have one for the battery and one for the storage right here. Pretty cool, and of course they are customizable. You can go to the app right here and you will find a ton of different widgets, and they're actually just like categorized here into different categories. You will have health, you have weather, you will have here cardboard, you will have settings, storage, battery, and others as well. Of course you can go ahead and search for any one you want directly from here. Now to add these, it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is just make sure you basically select any widget you want to add and tap right here on set widget, and you're good to go. Once you have done that, you can go to the home screen and add that widget. Now of course you will have like a kind of different widgets from the app, so you can go ahead and change those directly from here. So just tap on edit widget and you can choose whichever widget you want that you have set up on the app, and of course displayed right here on the home screen. Next up is home widget. Now this one is really interesting. Now Apple doesn't offer a widget for the home app and the home kit, but this app does that and it's pretty good. So you can see right here I have a few things set up here, so you can add the small widget and of course you can have the medium widget as well. So what you got to do is go into the app and from here tap on edit panel. Once tapped there, you can go ahead and choose here the actions that you want to add. Now I don't have any home accessories here like connected to the iPhone, so you can add your accessories from here, your skins from here, and of course you can go ahead and choose others as well directly from here. Once you have selected anything you want, you can customize this. Of course the icon here can be customized just like that, and of course you can tap done here and then go ahead and change the color of the widget to any color that you might like, and of course set the blur as well. Tap done and now you're good to go. You have set this new home widget on the home screen, which is actually really useful as Apple, as I said, doesn't offer a widget for the home app. Next we're going with the score. Now of course this is an older app but recently has been updated to support home screen widgets. Now what you get here is of course widgets that display your favorite team, and it will show you the scores, and of course in this case it will show me the upcoming games. Now when you add the widget, all you have to do is just go ahead and 3D touch on the widget, tap on edit widget, tap on choose team right there. You can go ahead and choose from your favorite teams, or just choose from the list here, or of course search any other team you want, and once you have found the team that you want, just tap on it and it will be displayed right there on the home screen widget. The next one for the video is mini widget. Now this one will offer a ton of different widgets which also are customizable, and you can see right here you can even set a transparent widget. Now to set the transparent widget, all you have to do is just go to the edit mode and then just slide to the last page where there are no icons and take a screenshot, and then of course you can set it from the app. All you have to do is just go ahead and tap right here, go to my widgets, tap on transparency and load the image, the screenshot you just took, and you will have the widgets right here. So you can go ahead and choose from basically the most popular ones here, or go to small or medium and choose whatever you want to add. You have calendars, you have countdowns, and of course you will have other stuff here as well, like the steps. You can add like different quotes right there, and you will even have shortcuts here, and then you have others right there, calendar, and right there one that displays information regarding your system. Next up is an app called Bloom. Now this one offers widgets for the health app. Again, another app that doesn't offer widgets by default. Now you can see what we have right here. We have 4 different ones. These are all the widgets that this app actually offers. So you can have your heart rate right there. Of course you have to have your Apple Watch connected. It will show you the burnt calories, and the total steps will also be displayed even if you don't have an Apple Watch. You will also have the blood oxygen right there, the average, of course, if you have one of the newer Apple Watches. So pretty cool, very, very useful if you want to be informed at all time regarding your health and everything that's going on, then this is the app for you. Next up is Start Search. Now this app allows you to start a search directly from the home screen of your device. So you will have your favorites here, so you just tap on any of them and start searching right away. So you can go, of course, to Google, or you can go to any others that you have set up, and you can set them from the app right here. Tap the plus button, you can go ahead and add any site or any search engine that you prefer, and of course start a search directly from the home screen of your device on any app that you have chosen there. Next up is Google News. Now, of course, this is also an older app, but Google News has recently been updated to actually support home screen widgets for iOS. You can see we have here the top news and we have the briefing. So you can go ahead and, of course, add these from the widgets panel. There's like 4 or 5 different of them that you can add with top news. Of course, you have smaller ones and the medium ones as well. And then the briefing, which is offered only on the bigger widget. You will have everything that you need right here. Of course, you can tap on any news you want and directly open that certain news on the app. So you tap on the news right there, it takes you directly to the news where you tap. Hourly is in the next app for the video. It offers clocks widgets for your home screen, and the good thing about this is that you can customize these any way you like. So you can see right here I have the smaller one with just 1 clock, and I have here the medium one with 4 different clocks. Of course, you can 3D touch on this and tap on edit widget, and you can choose the clocks that you have added from the app, but you can also choose the time zone for any of the clocks that you have on the home screen widget. Now if you tap right here, it will take you into the app. The app is pretty simple to use. You tap the plus button and you start creating your clock. Of course, you can change the colors here, you can change anything you want. The hands right here, of course, you will have different styles to pick from, and you will have also here a background to choose for the clock face. You can choose like any different color you want right here. Color, you can go ahead and choose any color you like, or what's really cool is that you can also choose from here image, and that will allow you to basically upload any image from your camera roll and set it as the watch face for that widget. Really cool. And you can do even the same here for the background of the clock. You can set any color, or you can even choose an image from the photo library and of course add that as a background for that widget. Next up is Sticky Notes, a pretty simple app that allows you to have any note you want directly on the home screen of your device. Anytime you need to remember something, of course you add this widget and you go into the app. You will have your notes here. You can choose from the notes and just tap apply, and then of course the widget will change to that note. As easy as that. You can have all kinds of different sizes. Of course, you go into the app, and from here you have the option to create your note. Once you have created your note, that will be displayed right here on the list. So anytime you want to apply another note to the widget, you go into the app and add the note, or choose from the notes that you have already added to the app, and of course display them right here on the home screen. And last but not least is of course Widget. I know this is an old widget app. I have posted about this a million times, but I always have to include Widget on my videos because it's hands down the best widget app that you can get on iOS. And of course, there's always every day new widgets. Now the widgets on iOS of course had their boom once they have been released with iOS 14, but nowadays not a lot of apps are actually being released with widgets, but Widget has every day something new to offer. So simply go into the app and go to Explore right here. Tap on Sort and Filter, tap on the newest, tap right there, and you can see right here we have the latest widgets, and you will always find awesome widgets to add to the home screen of your device. Now once you find one that you like, you tap right there and simply tap import, and you're good to go. You have imported that widget. Of course, go to manage right here. Here you have the medium slots. Tap on one of them and choose the new widgets that you have added, and you're good to go. Of course, you can go to manage here and also set a transparent background. The same as with the previous widgets, simply go ahead and go to the edit mode right here on the home screen. Go to the last page, take a screenshot right here. Then of course, when you go to manage here, set transparent background, just load the picture here and you're good to go. You will now have a transparent widget on the home screen, which looks really cool. So that is it for this video, guys. These are some of the newest widget apps that have been released that you can get for your iOS 15 device. Now, of course, a lot of apps are new. Some of them have been released previously but have recently been updated to support widgets for iOS. So most of these have of course been released in the last few months. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to download the apps, make sure to check out the pinned comment. You will find all the links there. Again, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.